Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We have 3 packs of NBA Haunted Hoops, so otherwise known as NBA Hoops, with a little bit of pizzazz to it. Give you a chance to set some parallels, get the rookie guards. Also, Iguodala, rookie card. Nicholas Batum. And Victor Wembanyama, slime. So we got a Victor Wembanyama slime. Not numbered though. Looking for a numbered Wembanyama. Kelly Oubre Jr. Pacome Didiet, rookie card. Quentin Post, rookie card. Last pack. Tobias Harris, PJ Washington Jr., and Trey Jones. Parallel. Not numbered though, but it is a parallel. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. You would hit that subscribe button. Remember to like and comment if you want to follow for more. Everyone have a great one.